Good day and welcome to Customer Effects Training Snippets. My name is Dale Richter and today our training will be converting a lead in SalesLogic's web client. Switch over here to my web client, and the first thing I'm going to do in here is go to my leads down the left hand side of the screen. And I have a lead right up in the top here, Tom Beach. Created him yesterday, and I'm just going to click right on that lead. Brings me into the lead itself, and in here I have some comments down at the bottom, as well as if I scroll way down I have some history already on this record of a phone call that I made to him. And if I scroll up again, I want to make sure that I have answered these questions in the qualification questions up on the top of the screen, because I want to show you where these convert over into the contact record itself. So I'll put some budget dollars in here. Do they have a time frame? I'm just going to put in 6 months. And how many mobile users do they have? I'll put in 15. Okay, so make sure that you save that information before you get out of here. Now that this lead is qualified, I want to actually convert them over and make them into a contact and an account in my database. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Convert Qualified Lead. When I do that, it's going to bring up my conversion screen here, and I'm going to check in the match filters here. I want to check each one of the fields that I want SalesLogix to search on. So I've clicked on first name, last name, and the account/company. So then I'm going to click on this button here, Update Potential Matches. It's going to go out and search my database now and look for potential matches in the contact or account records. Now, down at the bottom of the screen, we see that nothing came up. So it didn't match any contact records, and it did not find anything that matched any account records. So once I'm satisfied that this does not already exist in my database, I'm going to go down to the bottom of the screen here and click on this button that says Convert. So now the conversion is taking place. During this conversion, it is actually taking the lead out of the leads area and putting that lead into the contact area. So now we see here as a contact Tom Beach, and I have my account Beach Industries, and my screen looks totally different now. It looks like a contact screen. I'm going to go down to my history tab down in the bottom here and click on history, and we see here that we have some history items in here. I'm going to click on the first one, that first note there. Shows me my first note that actually came from the lead area where I talked to Tom at the yearly trade show. Cancel that one, and I'm going to look down here, the conversion. So in the second note here it says conversion information. I'll click on that note, and here in my conversion information we see the lead was converted to a new contact, and it shows all of the qualification questions and answers right here. Do they have a budget? And there's my budget that I put in earlier. Do they have mobile devices? My answer that was yes. their time frame. So all that is listed right here within the contact record now. And if I go back to leads, I'll click back on leads here, and I'm going to do a lookup, name containing beach, and I'm going to click on search, and you'll see there that I no longer have my Tom Beach as a lead in the database. He is a contact. He is a contact, and we have the account. If I hyperlink over to that account, we have the account for Beach Industries also. So that is the actual conversion process of a lead to a contact. We want to make sure that we do that with all of our leads, get them out of leads and into contacts as soon as possible. That is our main goal, is to get everything out of leads and into contacts. This webinar has been about converting a lead in the SalesLogix web client. I want to thank you all for joining me this afternoon, and have a great day.